Hello and welcome back to another video by Seen Through Cars. Today we got this Mustang for a little test drive and I'm really hyped. It sounds so beautiful and it looks really nice with those racing stripes and this little spoiler over there. So at first let's start it up and listen to this beauty. Okay, so now let's start this test drive. So, we are in the Mustang, automatic transmission. The sound is so lovely, really. I love the sound of those V6. They sound so raw. They are dark sound. I really love them. So, but guys, what do we have under the hood? There is a petrol V6 which produces 300 horses straight, and it gets powered through this automatic transmission. The first thing I'm really missing in this car are pedals to shift on the steering wheel, but not the I can shift manually here, and I got a sports mode which I'm in right now, so the gearbox is shifting right up. It's shifting faster at higher revs and it cares about my throttle position. Well, sitting in here, it is really nice. We got leather seats. The mirrors are really, they are not the biggest ones, but they show you really a lot. And you got this blind spot angle over there as well. And it is really lovely. But now let's go to 70. It's not the fastest gearbox, but of course this car is already some years old now. This particular car was built in 2014, so it's not as quick as the newest transmissions, of course, and it's an American car as well. Oh, the sound is so lovely. But to be honest, well, it sounds really nice. But it sounds more, it sounds faster than it actually is. But it was not full throttle. Well, I want to get some more temperature. It's not a cold start. It wasn't a cold start before, but I want to get some more temperature. Maybe we can get full throttle afterwards. And about Mustangs in general, you get really a lot of car for the price. So that's what I already said in the other video as well about the next generation Mustang I've already driven. I can link you this video, and and yeah, you really get a lot of car for a fair price. It's a fair price. I mean, it's not high quality and it's kind of American, but that's why you go for such a car. And you got leather seats, that's very important because you sit in them. You got a leather steering wheel, that's what you touch all the time. But the rest is, yeah, a lot of plastic. But that's what you get in other cars as well, and they cost so much more. Yeah. I'm a little fan of Mustangs, to be honest. They provide a lot of fun for little money. Of course, they aren't cheap, especially the repair costs and everything. Workshop costs aren't cheap as well, and yeah, Mustangs are not the most reliable cars. They are not known for that. But yeah, if you save about 60,000 bucks when you buy a new car, you can invest a lot of repair costs into the car. As I kind of often point out, the cars are quite noisy. Yeah, in here it's the same. But that might be a positive aspect, so you will hear your exhaust a little bit better. Kickdown, and yeah, really love the engine sound. I'm not sure if I'm too dumb for the manual shifting, but it won't shift. So I press those buttons, or maybe they are not for shifting, but more for the response of the gearbox. It could be. So here we will turn, and then we start from 0. So I hope you can hear the lovely sound of this engine. Oh guys, I'm not sure if a world without V8s, V6, V10s, V12 or W16 engines is worth living, really. Those battery powered cars only making this sound, I'm not sure if I will get used to that. And as long as it is possible, we should drive petrol powered V or W engines. Yes, That's what we should do. Wow. Really nice sound. That's really what I love most about Mustangs. It's the sound. Or American cars in general, they are kind of the same. Yeah, but of course steering response and yeah, it's good, but it's soft steering and yeah, the stiffness of the springs and everything of that is not at super sport level. But of course nobody buys a Mustang and expects that, hopefully. And the visibility through this mirror is really good as well, although there is the spoiler, but it's better than I thought. Oh, there's a tractor. Oh, that was a big bump. And you have seen it, I'm just flying over this bump due to the suspension. It's not perfect, but it's really good. So I will find the perfect moment to overtake them or him, because I won't ruin a car that's not mine as well. I don't want to ruin mine as well. And yeah, so let's see when we can overtake him. Well, you got enough power for overtaking. 300 horses is really, for a daily driver, that's awesome, goes. Let's see if they will have a look at us. Yeah, she was looking at us. Nice. She might not be a gold digger, but she was looking. Towards us. So to everyone watching this video, please, if you got a car to test drive, let me know, because I always need new cars, new stuff. Oh, the road is here really bumpy. They should make it new. Sport shift mode. Oh, we should brake a little bit. Yeah, but all in all, the car drives really well and it makes a lot of fun. Seats are comfy, they're leathered. Steering wheel is soft, so it's comfy as well. Could be a little bit harder, but yeah, not too bad. Infotainment system is a little bit old, little bit old. What the fuck? But it works. Yeah, and of course climate control or air conditioning is what Americans do best, and therefore no complaint about that. Oh, X3M, nice. Yeah. All in all, really good daily. Really get a lot of car for small budget. It's really good. I like it. So we come to the end of this POV test drive. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please let me know in the comments, like section, subscribe my channel and hit the bell on to get notified when I make a new upload. And yeah, thanks for watching.